my beautiful YouTube family. It is such a delight to grace your screen once again today. And today we would be touring this 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a swimming pool located right inside an estate here in Lekki County Homes, IKOTA, Lekki, Lagos. And this property is in the market for 550 million naira. The rooms are spacious, the living area, the kitchen is fully fitted. You can even see the compound space is spacious enough, and this can take up to 4 cars conveniently, and you still have enough space to move around. We have CCTV cameras. The neighborhood is habitable. And one good thing about this estate that is making me recommend this property to you is that they are very strict with security. It is an access regulated estate, which means that you need an access code to come into the estate. Now, in a couple of seconds, I will flip this camera to go inside, and we'll tour not just the interior, but we'll also move around this building so that you see what the surrounding looks like. And then I'll give you a glimpse of the neighborhood as well. You know how we do it. I have to show you everything about the property that I am recommending to you. Before we get into that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. I am so delighted to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I will be your guide for today. And also, I have a very beautiful family here on YouTube, an amazing family that we're growing together, and we would love to welcome you into that family. So all I'm saying in essence is that you should hit the subscribe button as you're watching this video, turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a video here you get notified. And also, just in case this is either above your budget or maybe below your budget for my billionaires here, you can also reach out to us. We have other properties in this location, in this estate, in other locations. We have land selling, we have properties you can pay instrumentally for like 1 year. We have commercial properties also selling. So just reach out to me on that number and be sure that we'll get you nothing but the best of genuine properties only. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we tour this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex together while I give you more information about it. Come along, please. Welcome back, beautiful people. Now, this is the unit we would be inspecting. I told you we only have one unit available here. So if at the end of this video you love what you see, kindly contact me immediately. Now, here's a quick glimpse of the neighborhood before we go inside. Let me give you a 360 view of the neighborhood so you get to see that it is habitable. And then this is the full size of the compound. And like I said earlier, this compound space can fit 4 cars conveniently, and you still have enough space to move around. So what we're going to be doing right now is we'll move around this building first before we go inside, so you get to see the surroundings of the house. This is a better view of the structure itself. So you see we have security lights around the house. All right, so which way? Okay, let's go through this way. Let's go through this way. There's a tap at this angle here. Okay, before I go back there, there's a CCTV camera right here, just outside. Okay, and then the walkway to the back of the house is super spacious. It is spacious enough that 3 people can walk side by side at the same time. You see where I'm standing, and you still have all of the space. So you see it is spacious enough, and then we have some plants around the house. Spacious walkway. This is already fixed for you. And then this is the back of the house, also spacious. There's also a CCTV camera here. Now, one good thing about this house is there is no other house very close to it. You see, it's just by the side, by the roadside. See where the other houses are, quite far from it. So it means that there's enough ventilation right here. You're getting proper ventilation and lighting. It's not one of those houses where when there's no light it will be dark. In fact, there's no light currently inside the house, but when I go in you see that um it is bright enough even without light. All right, so this is the back. There's also another CCTV right here, and then this is the BQ Okay, the BQ is locked, and I'm sure that's because the custodian of the house, this is where he stays for now. So his possessions are there, and we don't want to invade his privacy. That's why it's locked. For what? For your water. Okay, and this angle is where we have the swimming pool, and this is the size of the swimming pool. So there's also a CCTV right there. Okay, that's the CCTV I showed you at the beginning. So the better view of the sites from this angle of the pool. You see it is spacious enough, and you also have a view of the living area from the pool. You can also access the living area from the pool, you see. Okay, but I told you I was going to give you a 360 view, so let's just finish it up. Okay. Also, the house beside it is not very close to it, which is another good thing as well. So to the left and to the right side of the house, there is enough space. Okay. All right. All right. So let's go in. Now the door has a smart lock. So if you don't want to use the manual lock, you can just put a code on it and use the smart lock. And then this is the ante right here before we get to, which leads us to the living area. But before we get to the living area, let's see the guest toilet. This is the guest toilet. And then next is the guest room. So this angle. So here's the size of the guest room. And then toilet and bath right here. There's also a wardrobe here. So next is the living area. Now you can see there's no light, but everywhere is really bright. Everywhere is really bright, you see? And that's one of the reasons, because there's enough space both to the left and the right side of where this building is standing. So this is the living area, and this is the full size of it. Let's see it from this angle. This is the full size of it from this angle. We have inbuilt speakers here. There's another one there. There's a CCTV camera here. Okay, and so this angle is where we have, you can just plant some, have some artificial plants underneath the staircase for aesthetics. And then right here is where we have the dining area, just by the kitchen here. Now we have the kitchen to this angle. Okay, so we have some smart devices here for your inbuilt speaker. Unfortunately, there's no light, so we cannot um, just operate it right now. So this is the kitchen. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to see the full size of the kitchen before we begin to explore. So standing here, this is the full size of it. You can see it's spacious enough. You have enough space to move around conveniently. So let's begin to explore. Now over here, let's start with this washing machine right here. And there's a CCTV up here. We have this kitchen island right at the middle. It's able to have gas burner, an extractor here, microwave, oven. There's a refrigerator here. And we have this pantry here for storage. So you have absolutely no issue getting a place for storage. And we have quite a number of cabinetries here as well. One unit only remaining. So if you love what you see, give us a call. immediately. Okay, let's go upstairs. Now the staircase has a motion sensor light, but unfortunately there's no light, so we cannot see that. So where this property is located, it's inside Lekki County Estate. Lekki County Estate is at IKOTA, and it is a very secured estate. Like I said earlier, they are very strict with security here. They do not compromise on security. It is an access regulated estate, means that you have to get an access code to have access into this estate. We're upstairs now, so there's a chandelier right at this angle here. Where do we begin from? Okay, let's start from here. So we've seen one room downstairs. This is the second room, and the room sizes are super spacious. See, very spacious. We have this big wardrobe here. This is not even the master's bedroom, but I like the fact that the wardrobe is bigger than the ones I see in the regular rooms. Toilet and bath here. Working chair is also spacious enough. So, for those who do not know where Lekki County Estate is, Lekki County Estate is at the Kota axis. And if you're coming from Lekki, phase one axis, after Chevron, you get to Orchid. After Orchid is IKOTA, which is where you have Lekki County Estate. This is the third room. The third room. 550 million naira. There can be a slight negotiation, a slight reduction on the price of this property. Only one unit left. If you love what you see, contact me immediately. Let's schedule an inspection um, and help you secure this house before someone else buys it. This is the okay. This is the fourth room. Yes, this is the fourth room. Notice how spacious all of the room sizes are. And also, like I said earlier, if this is either above your budget or it is below your budget, or you want a land or a different property in a different location, we have them at different locations. We even have commercial properties. We have properties you can pay instrumentally for up to a year. So reach out to us and tell us what you want, and then we'll definitely get you something very credible. So this is the lounge. Let me stand there so you see the full size of the lounge. So this is the full size of the lounge. And right here is where you have your TV console, and there's a mini balcony just here at the lounge. So you can be sure of proper ventilation here. I just wish there was light so that we will see this house, in its true form, how beautiful it is. This is a box room right here. And then finally, this is the master's bedroom, which is the final room that we will be seeing. So let's see the full size of it. This is the full size of it. If you've watched this video till this point, trust me, I'm smiling right now. Thank you for sticking around till this point. And if you've not subscribed, please, as you're watching this video, kindly do that right now. Go ahead and just tap that subscribe button so that you get to be part of the beautiful family that I have right here on YouTube. Okay, this is the wardrobe area. This is it from this angle, and it also extends to this part. Okay, and then over here is where we have the toilet and bath. So it consists of this double wash hand basin right here. There should be a mirror here, so that can be fixed. There's a bathtub here as well. And to this angle is where you have the WC, and then walk-in shower, spacious walk-in shower. You can see that there's enough space to move around freely in the master's bathroom. All right, so this is a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a barbecue, a swimming pool, located in Lekki County Estate, selling for 550 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is the balcony for the masters, and let's see, have a better view of the neighborhood from here. That's a really beautiful house. Let me just show you so that you feed your eyes. So this is the neighborhood where you should reside. All right, thank you for watching this video till the end. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. Till I come your way next time. My name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.